Dear ladies and gentlemen, my video tutorial right now is about removing pop-ups from the website deholicminington.info. deholicminington.info. The pop-up typically says or gives the message similar to the one given by other pop-ups. It says just one more step, allow to continue. Some people think that it's okay to click on the allow button. However, it's a serious mistake, of course, because this will immediately hijack the browser with extremely intrusive web push notifications. Well, I need to mention that the function of web push notifications can be genuine in many cases. It's the part of many decent commercial websites that attempt to notify you about new items arriving in stock. However, with these deholicminington.info pop-ups, things are totally different because they, instead of redirecting to itself, this website forwards you to many other dangerous resources that may infect your system essentially. So clicking on the allow button is a serious mistake. If you have done it, you need to perform certain manipulations with your browser. So go to the browser menu, click on settings, scroll down to advanced, site settings, notifications. Find this dangerous resource here and choose remove. Additionally, I recommend you to scan your Mac device with Combo Cleaner. That's the reliable security software for Mac. combocleaner.com. That's what you need to get your Mac fixed. Download Combo Cleaner with the help of this download Combo Cleaner button. Afterwards, start the program and run scanning with it by clicking on the Start Combo Scan button. Of course, at first the program will update its antivirus database, which is extremely important, so do not actually terminate that procedure. And after that, make sure you scan your Mac with Combo Cleaner antivirus. And keep in mind that the antivirus function is part of the premium version only. However, scanning your Mac device is a good idea, and Combo Cleaner is a great solution in this case. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.